Kyle.
Yes, sir.
A few days since Hot Ones. How you feeling? You hanging in there?
Yeah, so Hot Ones, I'll have to admit, it was not as bad as I thought it was. People were like, oh, you're going to die, dude. You can't handle hot spiciness. So I got on a plane the day after, flew with my wife and 5 kids to Chicago for the holidays for Christmas. Did not impact my travel at all. I did not have to make too many bathroom breaks. Stay tuned and subscribe to the channel and subscribe to MFG Tribe's channel. We're going to be releasing Hot Ones, not only the guys edition, but we're going to be reshooting it and doing ladies edition with me as the host, and we'll probably be doing 2 at a time because I think we have about six or 7 people that want to participate. So we'll see how the ladies do. Let's go talk about some print advertising. My absolute favorite, not at all.
Oh yeah, whoa, look, they can never keep me down, I'm going, and if I ever fail, just know I'll go again. I never quit, cause I know that every loss may lead to another win. I'm going up.
What was that look?
That was not a look.
That was a look.
I mean, I was ready to start at noon. We have video evidence of it, just saying. Okay. The downside is from a click standpoint, they didn't produce any sort of good traffic. Digitally. So, like if you go to their site right now, still to this day, homepage, banner, right-hand side, you've got an ad that's flipping. Based on the traffic, I didn't see anything that was like, ooh, this is it right here. Where the dollar amount doesn't change, it's just the services change slightly. So that's what I'll pitch them today. What was that? You handing that to me empty?
No, I was just giving you a bones, but I only have this hand, so.
Okay.
Just like I only had to do it.
All right. Taylor, everybody. Find success. All right, boys. How was that webinar?
It was good.
Yeah? Did you learn anything?
I like the way they lay out the steps of, first follow, then engage, and then ask for a contact request.
Yeah. I used all 1,100 of my credits yesterday. And I've used...
Monthly?
No, for Seamless.
Oh, for Seamless.
Yeah, so I used all of them yesterday. And then today I've used probably 700. So here's something to think about is it's really easy in Sales Navigator. I take lists that I've built and I've enrolled those people into Duck Soup connection request campaign. Now what I'm doing, what I started today was I'm going through, I did a little bit on Friday, but I'm going through and going after that same list of, let's say, 564 people that I just enrolled into Duck Soup campaign. Unfortunately, it's not fast, just like nothing was really fast and seamless. But like when we're looking at building lists, you build lists based on Seamless AI's filters, Zoom Info filters, building lists from a LinkedIn filter, their industry, these titles, these seniorities, etc. And then pulling those people, getting their email information, full contact info. So, like we should be 20xing our database of people to go after. We just need to, like I've talked with you guys before, we need to just like, how can we speed it up to like get something in front of them? I'm gonna have, by the end of this week, I'm willing to bet I'm gonna have 10,000 contacts in Seamless. But that's gonna take like 8 weeks, 7 weeks to run through. So they all won't, like if I can find them on Sales Navigator, then I'll automatically enroll them into a campaign. Palmer, the sales slayer.
What up?
The killer.
The killer. I was just coming to see if does firearms.
Yes.
So are they like a contract manufacturer for firearms?
So they do, and we'll beep out the name, and we'll also beep out what I'm about to say. They go to So I would reply back to that and be like,
Would that be something that I would pass off to Ron and them?
I would say, from a partnership standpoint, because if they might have the customers or the contacts or whatever that our client could go after. So maybe it's like, yeah, dude, if I come across somebody that needs what you need, I'll let you know. Like just to shake hands and meet them face to face, I think it's worth a visit. I don't know how many days they're going for or what their schedule looks like, but I think anything is worth a conversation. All right, so that is it for today. Pretty normal day. went live, which was good, and that live, I tell you, in industry-based marketing approach and that thing that I laid out, you need to go check out the full video on that once we publish it, because that is a game changer for, I'd say, every single one of our clients and our marketing strategies going, instead of going account-based marketing, going industry-based marketing and blowing it up that way. That strategy I laid out, that is killer. Still got 2 more meetings before I can head home. Be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn on notifications, and we'll see you on the next Mic'd Up.